It's the long weekend and we've escaped. Where are we, Mr. Hal?
Near Narooma, New South Wales.
We're in a hip camp called...
Riverview Camp, I think it is. I can't see a river, but it's called Riverview Camp.
No, that's true. We thought it was going to be along the water edge from the photos, but it's a drone photo, so there is no water. But we do have quite a cool look out here. And if it had been raining heavily, there would be water down there. But it's a huge spot, and considering that it's a long weekend, everything was booked up. There's so much space here. There's actually 2 paddocks. This is number 1 paddock that we're in, and you can go through to the second one. We are taking advantage of the $20 firewood in their fire pits. Wow, what a morning. I mean, we've just watched, well, the sun hasn't actually come through the clouds, but beautiful colour in the sky. And look at that moon. Amazing. I think that's the horse head over there that I was taking photos of. And Australia Rock, of course. And it is very, very beautiful. But there's too many people down there now for me. There's so many birds up in the sky as well. And the funny thing is, all the seagulls seem to congregate over on that beach and then fly madly through this bit. And then in between it, you get the boats flying out. Definitely worth getting up for. And look, we're walking along the rocks and there's just seals everywhere. It's quite amazing to see. We've come to the end. John feels dwarfed by, what do you call them, concrete blocks?
Oh yeah, some of the concrete things that make up the end of the breakwater, yeah.
But plenty of seals to see along here, and so many of them so active. John flies the drone through Australia. I watch crabs crawling among the seals and pigeons taunting the seals from above as if they could be the next meal.
Hey, a mate of mine bought a Jack Russell from Blacksmith.
Did he?
Yeah. When he got home with the dog, it made a bolt for the door.
Oh, good dog. Driving to and from the campsite along their road, you could see this bridge. So we've come to have a look across the bridge. That's the bridge into Narooma, and the turn off to the campsite is just on the left side of that bridge. And there's some funny rules about this island, including no dogs, which isn't funny, but no golf is on the sign. So I don't know who comes out here to play golf.
Oh, something's rusted here, but it's right into the sand. What's that?
Oh.
I don't know what that is. That's like a spacecraft probe. That's what it is. It's supposed to have landed here many moons ago, and it's rusted. Could be used oyster leases. I don't know if they use them still or not.
I find it amazing how big they are. How many do you roll out?
Just did 140.
Oh my gosh.
Good on you. Thank you. 8 slices in each one. Go like that.
Wow.
Forward.
Thanks for letting me watch. Excellent. We are just on the other side of where we saw Australia Rock. We've come across just to have a look, and it's very popular. And then on this side we have this. It's very beautiful. There's no flags. Look at the swimming area, and it's all netted. I wonder what's in there. The seals.
4-metre white pointers in there. A few white pointers on the beach too.
Oh, stop. There are so many fish down there.
The tide's coming in quick too, isn't it?
Yeah. We are driving to historic Tilba, which is not very far up the road. We've taken the back roads, which is supposed to be scenic, and look what John Howe finds.
Well, we're just driving down on some windy roads out near Narooma, and we saw this free van for sale. Well, not for sale, free. We're thinking maybe we should change over, get rid of the iridium and get this thing, put some orange rock sliders on it. Excellent. I reckon it'd go anywhere, this thing. Let's have a look inside. Do with a bit of work. Yeah, we could call it the Iridium 17S.
No. We really come to Tilba because they have the cheese factory and their cheese is outstanding. But along the way we managed to shop and spend a whole afternoon. To cap off the day, Mark, the host of the Hip Camp, invited all the campers up to sit around the fire and chat. I've got to tell you, if you're ever invited up, just go, because he does the best smoked chicken wings that I have ever eaten in my life. They were amazing. Sadly, no sun, so no sunset, but it was still a great way to cap off the day. When I packed up last camp and I was under a bit of stress from being so close to those other people and I had to put the awning in, it was crunching when it was going in and I didn't think it was lining up. I took it out and in a few times to get it fixed. But sadly for me, there were sticks stuck on top of it and I didn't realise. And now, I don't know if you can see, but we have creasing in the top of the awning and a small hole, which is fine. We have a patch kit. But yeah, John, when we pulled it out this morning, because I was worried, where are all the sticks that you saw? All these little sticks were on the top of it, and that's what's caused the creasing. So
you can, I don't know if you can see the creasing or not. All this, all that is all creasing there. Just some sticks are stuck on there, which we didn't know was there.
So we're hoping if the sun hits it, it might melt it and we can smooth it out a bit. It still works fine, it still rolls up fine, but just something that we weren't aware of. We never have actually thought to look on the top of the awning before we put it away, but we will now. So we have a little hole right there. Yes, it's tiny, but better to fix it when it's little. John's got the tear aid
repair kit.
Did it come with it?
No, we bought this. We bought that from, I think it was Tent World or something like that.
So first plan of attack is to get an alcohol pad and wipe it down.
It comes different sizes. There's a couple of small ones and then there's a couple of really big ones which you can cut to shape. Comes in a, you cut it to shape whatever you want. Right, peel it off and over the hole.
And fixed. That's it. It's fixed.
That was $23. This repair is type A and type B. I'm not sure what the difference is, but type A does the job.
Well, great little campsite. Definitely would use this, wouldn't you?
I'd come back here again, no problem at all.
And the town is exactly what you need. There's the basics without the hustle and bustle, really.
Bakeries, coffee shops are the main things.
Yeah.
And fish and chips.
Yeah, it was very good. And until next time, I will see you on the other side. Happy to be off work?
Won't be working much longer.
Oh, you heard it here first.
We'll see.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, I hope they're just not empty words, really. Oh my gosh, I'm going to replay this to you over and over and over again.
Yeah, one day in the next, whatever. We'll see. We'll see.